Record. Hi, Erwin. This is what we have.
It's not fun.
It is, what day is it? Saturday. We shoveled out a foot of snow last night. This is what we woke up to this morning. Erwin, you come stand by the car so we can see you. And then...
This is ridiculous.
That's our tree. This is Erwin standing by my car that we started to clear off. That's how tall it is. And the snow is only going to get stronger, and it's going to snow all day today.
We got over 2 feet already.
This pile right here is as tall as me. Almost. Camera is panning too fast. Okay.
Kate, are you stuck?
Hey, do you love this snow?
Ice.
Ice? You'd love
But the good thing is, Kristen,
Kate's stuck.
the snow shoveling burns a lot of calories.
I know. That's what I was telling Erwin, that we could work out this weekend, and I thought, alright, this is horrible. Don't put snow back in the driveway.
This is crazy.
You have to climb? Holy cow.
So you ready to climb?
Oops, sorry.
Oop.
Can you wipe her face? I think she got snow in her face.
You okay? You made it, huh? Alright, this is about after close to 2 hours worth of shoveling. Still coming down hard. Goes up probably over 6 feet. Unreal. And even if we wanted to get out, there's probably at least 2 feet of snow on the road. Hasn't been plowed yet.